G'day! In today's video I've got a Dell Inspiron P117F, and this particular one is got a non-powering issue, so I'm hoping opening it up and just disconnecting the battery will be able to revive it. I don't know if that's going to be the case. Wow, these are some tiny screws. I'm using a small 000 screwdriver, and that is making quite swift work on these. Go. All those screws are out now, and it has slightly popped the back here. So I'm going to use a guitar pick and slide it along. That should pop the rest of it. There we go, come on. You gonna leave? There we go. Now we've left. So that we're in, what do I see? 54 watt hour battery. What have we got here? A 1 terabyte SK Hynix SSD. Nice. And what it's going to assume is 2 8 gig sticks of DDR4. And I'm going to disconnect the battery now that I'm in here. And now I want to connect up some power to it. Just go find my power cable. Plug the power in. No LED on the power right now. Open it up. The plastic just fell. And hit the power button. I'm getting a whole lot of nothing. I'll go back to here. I now want to check the power adapter. And I do want to see if there is power going to the mainboard, which in turn is checking out the power jack. 20 volt, plugged in. 2 top pins are the ones I'm looking for. Put that here, top pin. Nothing. Nothing. So that's saying to me we've got a faulty power jack, which does look to be straightforward to replace on one of these. Don't know whether I've got one on hand, but I will try out a couple other things as well. So if I take out these 3 screws here, then open it and close it, this should stay open and accessible. Up, down, there we go. And now, if I go like this, it should let me detach it. I suspect that it might be damaged right here, right on this kink. There. So you definitely have a 90-degree angle going on there. In theory, what I should be able to do, put this on resistive mode. There we go. If I go like this, go, no resistance. So in theory, I should be able to push this onto pins. What have we got? Put this in the hole just here. Oop. Nah, bugger. I was hoping I'd be able to do it that way. Let's see a pin there. No. To me that's not getting a good enough reading on it, bugger. But I will have a look through my collection to see if I may have a replacement one of these floating around. This one's not quite the right model, but I do believe it's the same. So at least I can plug this in and test it. At least let me know if it's the jack. Plug that into here. There we go. Lift up. No power either. Damn. Right up, I'm going to test it. I'll plug it into here. Go power in. We have a charge light anywhere? No, because the charge light was previously on here. Damn. Oh, but the keyboard is on, is it? 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're off. Keyboard light is now on. Backlight on the screen. Oh, we are turning on. I'm going to leave this to charge overnight. So I've got now replacement one, which took about a week to get here, which was a bit longer than I anticipated, but it's here now, and hopefully it's the right length. So in theory, what are we doing? Going that way, then we're snaking it back this way. Actually, okay, pull that tab. Oh, the computer is on. That's not what we want. Turn off. Now I'll put that into here. It is slightly longer than the one that was originally there. Not by much, but there we go. 1, 2, 3. Now I should be able to remove this tape that's here and put that straight over. Next up from there, I'll hook my battery back up. Go. This one over here. Move that out of the way. Now I find my 000 screwdriver, which I look to have misplaced between the now and then. This one will do. Click, 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 click. Oh, it is slightly magnetised. Brilliant. It's not as bad. If it wasn't magnetised, I'd be a fair bit sadder. The plastic on this front is broken, so the screws will go in, but it's not actually pulling anything down. So it just happens with age of these laptops. Here. Bingo, that is a charging report replaced. Hopefully with some trouble-free charging now. That'll do for today, and see you later. Bye.